Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to enable or disable auto download media while using Wi-Fi. Let me show you how can we do that. First click on Signal app icon. After that, click on three dots which showing on top right. Click on Setting. Press on Data and Storage. Click on When using Wi-Fi. Here you can select media which you want to auto download when using Wi-Fi, like image, audio, video, document. After that, press OK. That's it. If this is your first time you're watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.